me. I want my catch it outside. Asramayo pen, Sani Panhumi. Nyamia to more, what china no pa, and trefi. Aya dea, summa home one be ye, sabre free nipem. Ye sabrening crabia, brempoya, and more the row mammy. And to read John chapter 9, a covenant near fra, or sin and near free I am. When I didn't front to so. And yes, who peer on us said, "Ya bay a radianum number the daddy." A radianum number peer, the another one say, "I am home bonibi," and a diarena to a grand so. As chapter 3, I say, "I will be not a boo free in I am yet look to a sorry fee." Now, everybody listen to me as a prophet of God. 2. You are by 4 years, maybe almost added to the pastor in the pastor. And no, your friend almost say, a sorrow account. Asuru timika nipa. Who spirit or yes idea or a principality. Spirit no yes idea or a principality. And sabo wadwini. What Dani adwene no. Tim what of form. Ti onipa bia wo maame abo wa mane se asuru aka. Ye di asram ye wo. Sanko fo ne kra de. Eni munyama da so ye yi. Data. Enti bradie but bre wo wiase ankasa because ya wodi asram ne ye wa ye kwatete haban bi ene ye de ye nipa na otete haban ya o wani ono na be communicate sunsumu se munyi yale ni free ni so bia o ya asram dro bia wani onte hokwa enti se osra se muma ne nkwa bi ma na o ka se ene ni sika ene munyam munye na wali ani monya monye enti sunsum ne ye di exchange se uko bi o sunsum ho na o se utie o ya o sa utie ade wia no nyame a o sa utie ade a 5 years time ubenya stroke ya bageni ye di ho asem enti onipa bi a asrama ya open a wo ma me ka kire ho a wate onipa bi a esoro achew esoro nti nipa e sunsum asem a esoro achew pen a sasoro no wate ho asem na ntena fie wo en for life ni agro na ya je bibi kase bi afiri ho ya je brempon ye bi ni titiru ye bi afiri ho yanko Matthew chapter 2 verse 10-11 ho na ye mie kiss na fe ye mie full line into and verse number 11 and when they had opened their treasures they presented gifts to him. Papa ahana ye important to be antie no ya wo no dia ba no bi di brewo adia ye dey kan de ma wo ye de cha wo wa wo mu no e kira wo shebre ba bi a obeko e kira ba bi a obedru nipa no ode ade na ma wo to me edi na chi no and e kira the influence because akola bia ye innocent obi akola bia no ayama ne sunsun baka sa wonye na penyine kura na do tambi ne ma sunsun want me mpo because woni ahode abe sa ade na nka pese akola ketwa enti omo ya wo to ho omo be cha wo maame ade be cha wo maame powder e be cha wo maame nku e be cha wo maame afi atade asa ye mfansew no omo nyina na ya papa adwen papa di omo ti se atade ade ye de be sa asomasi no atade ne mfa nwura ni munyama na sa brimpo na sa nkogu wani mase e be se nya atade bia no bi ba be cha wo maame a e ya adwen papa because ono mo do fie no so ni mu say ya wo brimpon bia ba fie ha na ya mpene ma brimpon ni mpie because ya wo fie bia wo a ya ka to wo say opie ni wo ba be peja wo fie ha enti sa wo de sa ni mo nyam soroma ne pie fie wo a e wo say ye dum sa soroma no enti kwan a awumbone ye wo fie ho be dum soroma no say yenko cha na de yenko cha ne nano 1 yenko cha ne nano 2 yenko cha ne SMB enti wo ba no a wawo na ketwa na odi sa na mwa na obi akoto ama na odi no woni ma dwene woni pa ne tiri ma odi sa de ne ma wo ba no to obo obedi obo sa a kidnap ni nshira obo obedi obo sa kidnap ne brempon ye obo obedi obo sa a kidnap ni mpecha na fe wa ya stuck in life ultimate move piem ultimate advancing greatness in piem ya killer enti wone baby a wo hwa me a wo tie me papa me say ya wo nko ade a na wo maame for be China they have China one for life and yagro omo ma overcome sanyo man e yo mo man tenase say what tenase do nsa so dem reform me so besu sango form no mo ya gaga say sikadro no because the second year die no ye fini so enti obi deska bi o say ah we dey free na me sikadro manafo amega say bi chiro we are say ya buy so your barema o your ba na o pese ye die ni obuo ma wa e sika beba wonsem e sika e beba wonsem ni die ni obuo be ma enti se wa hwehwe bi a kira kwan e wonya me kwan so a da chi bi o ba yemopo ena me ba studio ha sika nyom nko a ena na me bo sika nyom nko a me ba studio sika nyom nko a sika ye moja eni hu ana wo yare ni hu anu abodam eni hu a abusuafo kra fa onya hwe sa asem se fie na sika ni hu a ana e be frɛ wo obi amfrɛ
entwa big john omra big john listen
what you say sika wo hu anka waja mpu atwa wona oye ohene ena matete sanyu mi nyina
doctor favorite spa
matome buatie sanyu I am telling you as a prophet of God ena lumba nyum no matome bu atie sanyu no sika wo hu anka waja mpu atwa ona na oye ohene sika ebi yefi masa people should watch out. I am telling people today as a prophet of God. And in the first presentation in Yansafo no, omode ma Yesu oya kwala ketwa. Enye cow, enye few. Yenhwa de omde man. And they had opened their treasures. Omo kono omo de omo brempon ye ne kase nyina ne koy. And they presented gift to him. Enye wo maame, enye Joseph. But omo de ma him, which is Jesus. First one of the man is gold. Kase gold.
Gold.
Kase gold.
Gold.
Masa.
Sika
koko no mo de man. Omo ye gold man sana.
Gabi.
Omo nya gold no he, omo sika. Omo jetire no. Omo bobra. Omo bobra. She, nipa wacha wo ba de ehu wo mfaso se. Na sabio. Obi kura ho kire no o che oba de a oba ne onyina obre sa oba na hia fo nko na che oba de a oba ne onyina wo bre me se wo bre na wo ya outdooring na hia fo nko na aba obi antua sika se fakoto oba ko fasimu a oba ne onyina wo mre ah na me ma obi aba outdooring no be ma $100,000 a oba ne ye die mo anye di nasi no enya brempo ya mo anye di nasi no ma me ne kura bi kan na obi ba outdoor na wa ka koko ha obi ba outdoor na pampaboa empaboa de ho de yede onipa ohunu onsoma da so no e na kire nipa ko be ba wo na ase
yes
onsoma da so na be kire nipa dudu e be de e be ba wo na ase na obi ye outdoor ni atota wo ni de amana na nani ache eye be nsoso masa shade and Sumano, Radia Deba. Shadi and Sumana Fre, Shadi and Sumana Fre, and Sumana Fresica. And Suma Dawso, a fretty row, and Suma Dawso, a flat boxer sauce, and Suma Dawso, a flat towel. On Suma Dawso to be fracas a former brabum. It means a few for his Akasiana through, so Massa. What do you say? There be Obiba Babma Pachua. Obama see what so, Obama be Obama super bia, and Koyi. And when you down so the wall in papa yi abrante ko ambezi ani apamono and when you yedi to kwan nso ma na yedi to kwan adum won so ma na yedi to kwan yayi wo bi adwuma na agu obi adwuma na agu ade aba ade na kosi and so ma no yayi share the beginning of a great man has been honored with gold. Bible anka quantity no not just say you doso pu ankasa doso pu sika anu ohye gold na a kire se onye ni paketwa Oyo hene. To hene dia also di sika kokko. O hene dia also utimi di sika kokko. Near the channel. So won so mna wonye. Dia to so mienu. Omo man there frankincense. Ni twi ne yade ade.
Ohwam fufuo.
Ah?
Ohwam fufuo.
Ade a ehwam. Ade a ehwam. Bema wo de fatam you. Ho bon wa. Wan na betena won chen. Pampai wo ho na betena won chen. Sa ho bon wa. Pampai wo ho na betena won chen. Enti sikafo no hunu say no. O sika de. Nanso wo se pampai bi gina wo ho. Sa pampai no ene be mani pass aba won chen. What does it? Because if you have money and you have bad scent, nobody will come close to you. Open your sika said there now who bong obi amount. Until they gave him gold and they gave him frankincense, fragrance. Aduham, adia ehram. Now what do be on what you feel? Me ya fiti krotiana ya what you feel. What you say? You fiti krotia bani and what you feel. And ya pampina, ya from me from the prekase. All of it krotiana and what you feel. What you say? Me see free me come man be or was so no siaba or si osafu o perfume no day. Nam si krotia perfume no. Ye ni agro. E wo se ni papa mpa ye wo hu ye hwam. Satan no wana de ma e sikafo na betimi ato. Ye te sika $2,000 ya to perfume a hwam. Ya de go ho. What you say nyina sabio wo ho kere wa ontim ne saade no. Enti wo ye ni patitiri wo ba ye saade ne de ama. Ene na de wura wo ye de ma na de wura okasiem. Enti ye se tere me yonko na me ncho suban. Onyankopon se enoma won takra se no ye dai. Wo tubom. O ye ni chawade ahiam. Sikani chawade pejaw. Wako sikani wa ma 50,000 Ghana cedi eska ketwa. Wako hieni wa ma 2 Ghana cedi na de koto. Bode aya toto. O yani sika na sikani budgetary. Sikani obehye Yesu awom. Ye hwe bia ne se breko. Masa ye kan sam bi se nipa bi nim se ye ti akro. Nipa obehye wa awom no ekse se obeye kase na se onya kase. What is say nyansafo na behye Yesu? Nkwasafo na behye no. Ababa kan na behye no. Ehiafo ne ahotirefo na behye no. Enti obi o awo ba. Nipa bi okure ni kwanso ma ba ehuru. Nipa bi ni kwanso do ba kra se ne nsem amobra mfa ba ma no. Obesai wo ba ne sebra ma. Because ono home ne free ne home mu ba no. Enu ne hwini mu a wo home agu ba no so nya home papa. Ti mame fo na mo sole ya ba bia bedu bia o so me bayi mu mame o so be mame o say wo ba na shebre. They gave Jesus frankincense. They gave him frankincense. Adusham. In other way round, they were telling him that he was a deity. And for that reason, there should be prayer that needs to be offered. Because every Christian, your prayer is like a frankincense. Ujidili bi awompa but to say aduham ayaso. To say incense ayaso. Smoke and a deco. And in every smoke, there are spirits in every smoke. 2 kinds of spirits that follow smoke, the good and the evil. Abribi abon se smoke ni chi yedai. Abribi abon se musie kobia na chasa honhom de akire. Ahonhom epe musie papa. Enioma miensa na honhom pe menka nkire o. De edi kan eye moja. De atoso mienu eye musie, de atoso miensa eye nsa. Nioma miensa na honhom pe. Ade a yede fra honhom enioma miensa wa nyansafo no. Nyansafo no a ye kan asem. Copy on 95.7 page. Obo some na can.
Well, I'm share on Facebook. Mbo say the picture and actor. So Pure FM Ghana. Time with Eagle Prophets.
And you're so clear. Sure. And her costume or record. Very nice and very powerful. And the abuse. Frankincense and also what team will say wow. And yakra at the end of Gumu Yakra. So what tell me Yakra and I didn't go nya pompentre and I didn't go. And yan to my feet tell me this is treasures. This is what we call treasure. And pray for see I want to see a swa on chantente ye. Huh? Ya want to see a swa on your day on chantente ye. A good father papa. Ya papa. His Excellency the President or Papa Bo kwan to woman. Send me na free for. in free your the fear horse and soma ya protecting soma no ya cover soma no say and soma no and na fear forever ne better fear so forever so and also oni pa bia na me adwo wachina ba hwehwe eagle prophet kira kwan and for life ni akọ David soldiers ne catch David say onsunoma mu na yen ye be hu nsunoma in your star our star will shine and what ye me ne wo hwa me ne na se wo ye nipa wo ye badwemba me nya sure say o do life be di akọ atade ayama amunu magye no o person kan bibia
ebia na obi tie no otikam na oba bisi ma me fa number no emma no number no prophet number no 0245 870567 0245 870567 ochina na media adom na dom ye ya God's Crown Chapel baba dia say no pa no nsia pepe na ho from 6 to 8 okwa ba ko to a prophet one on one na afi no na me nam no so na waboa na for you free or how any amani ni na prophet yanko
yes enti wo hwe agudia ye de koche Yesu a enam ahodo miensa ni nyina na master church ase no frankincense aduham ana attract nipa and maybe na me fro emirate me perfume egu me hu the same thing me perfume dem me fa ni agro arab ni lady bi Dimachisa, me see free flight him who tell me kono said Dimachi. Nam say I don't know Dimachisa. I've been watching her. Why she follow me? I don't watch him contract me. I say no, you are the man. Nam say what our person tells us the perfume around you is too powerful. The price of it all. I know this perfume. And you know what the say. Is it not the perfume we use? And I'm say yes, because you are the dawn, Papa. Nipa se pampan wo ho a obi antara wo ncha ye na ye wo nipa bi o wa sunsumu nioma ye de agu ne nipa die mu no enti pam nipa fi mi nchen pampan ankasa wo ne nipa die mu sunsumu ene honamu nyina Esther chapter 3 na already from verse 1 ne bana ohine bi afre na Ahasuerus ne ye a ne afre no Vasti eye ni amo hu sem ne ese peyira mo hene oni mboso me dodo aye ma ni dware perfume 6 months se o be ya ram keke no aba wo hene nchen ene o hene aba betena give me the correct month 6 months e wo se wo dware wo the perfume dware frankincense man ni ade ene oil for 6 months baba ba ko pa ye kwakọ wale no oba bi o wa pampa won hunye ba me bi wa pampa won hunye. Yes, after this event King Xerxes honored Haman son of Hammedat. Yanko verse 1 quick Esther chapter 1 Esther chapter 1. You understand that in this mood and in this era pampa ye won nipa ho ekre babia wo beko babia wo begina already Ecclesiastes chapter 10. Ecclesiastes chapter 10. Or say dead flies cause the ointment of apothecary to suffer. Dead flies cause the ointment of apothecary to suffer. Me pato janini Ecclesiastes chapter 10 So this is the whole story of itself. Dead flies cause the ointment of apothecary to suffer. Ecclesiastes chapter 10. Or say aman snafnu amadu frafo drobon. Aman snafnu amadu frafo drobon. Eti pampan die papa se wo ho a pama brempon e pama kasefo efiri ho eno nti na oba bi ne ba ma bi atena duru ba bi a pampan ye ne munyam pampan na efiri ne ho enti wo si oja ba ma bi abo bra duru ba bi a o san ko nyeska no sika pampan no efiri ne ho ye wo pampan e wo nipa ho a e attract bibi papa se obi ra mo kire na obi a obi hu sane pampan ye different. Se obi ra hospital no pia bon se pampan hospital is different. Oba yanko konfanochi ne ko pampan konfanochi. Na yanko hospital bi asesa pampan ne the same thing. Hospital pampan ya pe. Pampan ya pe. Ura mo tira pampan o pampan ne nyina ya pe. Pampan o ba bia mayanka. Pampan o mayanka ko. ejom uwa wa nkoko ajosuo pampan ho enti pampan ho papa ye serious to obi awa pampan ho se di wachi ade ura brimpon ne kase mu no wo ba bi a pampan di Yesu ache di ne wura ye di ne wura mpanyimfo the Pharisees, the Sadducees, the Sanhedrin, the scribes, the chief priests, and the disciple pampan wura ho oni Peter musia say ya pampan ne di na chi no na Peter masori abedi na chi and the man nya tutu nya brimpon Matthew mu ne Bartholomew mu asori abedi Yesu achi. Why? Because he carry along. I say a wise man's heart. No, verse 1. Verse 1, Ecclesiastes chapter 10, verse 1.
Asina once na funuma odi friend ni edro bon.
And once na funuma the friend ni edro bon.
Na pro.
Na pro. And once na funuma the friend na esa pro. When I once na body be dinechi, that flies cause the ultimate of the apothecary to send for the stinking sabo. So that's a little fooling him that is in repetition for wisdom and honor. What are you trying to say, prophet? And I'll pay a year so be me and Besame Catcher will say. Yen I share God's Crown Chapel. Watching on no see to 8. A prophetic destiny counselor. Now from 8 years, they are sorry as so day. Now my personal numbers no and a good screen is 0245 87 05 67 0245 87 05 and a 67. Same number no frame me.
We a prophet and kasa lie. O friend and nadia ko fa obi aso. We prophet na number. I don't know.
You see, in this world, a lot of people are born to be great, but the scent that is following them have disconnected them from greatness. We are seeing we you want the baby on yami born brimpon ye, but pam born ye did a chintino and man intimi mra brimpon ye. Pam born it did a chinintino man intimi mra brimpon ye. When evil scent follows you, papa, baby abedubiano, you will not be connected. You will never get a free flow of your blessing. Why? Because there is an evil scent that is following you. Pam born be ediwachi. So Jesus had a good fragrance given to him by wise great peer, frank incense, a deity, enjoy it, have a feel and a taste of it. Until anywhere he goes, he was connected to wise people. And you know what? The secret of it all. When you carry that fragrance, envy comes to you. Say, Sam, I eduham no, I want one. Nipa huwa no mani bro ene kire se wo ye nipa kase ene kire se wo ye nipa kase ye me phone line ntum ne enko
your phone line is na atum numbers near 0240929256 and 0240929283 0240929256 and 0240929283 pure 95.7 way air time with Eagle Prophet live. Yeah, hello. Hello, my radio no come from Mami Kakrawai.
Yes, so hini miti ukasa. Good afternoon, Ohine. Okay, Yankoi. Amen. Oh. Okay, Makai. Aye. Wow.
Okay. Yeah, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Yeah, your phone lines now at Pure 95.7. Number is 0240929256 and 0240929283. Time with Eagle Prophet. Lines, Messiah, hot. Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Not to say Kasanyenti.
Too bad. Want me and now so me say bet me after where. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Too bad. I'm far away. Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Facebook, and the back of our location of the publication war. I will do hope it. So the problem family. I don't know if I have so many times. About I don't know how the show of chakra. About what they want, you know, their body from operation. I mentioned that the long Bible for that.
Prophet. Answer enough for me for the next caller.
Unso say obi simi wa hemfie ho no baabi. But you near hemfie. Ye wo ahonjo daban. Ahonjo daban. Daban Puma filling station ho. E ho na ye wo. Introduce Puma filling station ho a obusa Eagle Prophet obi abekire. Asorika asi ho, but anu ye de asi ho for mrewafo ne nkokrafo no muntimi nante no. But wa branti a moja wo ho ne de. Usi junction so nante bra from straight. Now I won't send it from me signboard si ho eno ano no.
All right, me am far away. Good afternoon. Yeah, hello. Good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Lines no air high, lines no air high. Pure 95.7. Cost no bar never, but lines no air high. When I met me afa a year we are. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Yamia.
Yes, sir. Ja, Pacho Odin is an Akasafre.
So, but I thought to keep that. Yes, I want to apply.
Okay, young boy.
Yeah, no, but me. No, but the minister, who did that, also, you have to for the day. You have to attend your data. Now, tell me, you have to come out of this over why. The minister and your pastor with their money. The book that is very Yamity, where they are not of the leader that I use. But can't be without when no one who cannot see me play. Can never reach very yet when I get. But then, you said, people are going now. Bye bye.
Bye, Nyamisha.
That's a pure 95.7. Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is a big show.
Louis Nani, that's it.
And that's what I say.
Nakopo Adam here. Prophet is Louis Nani.
Prophet, yeah. It's your prophet. And it's the prophet I say. Now, prophet, that's one of the time. You go ahead, you must do what we can do. Oh, when I'm here. The money that I was, you have the church, you say. You don't pray to you put a man to say, we the boy now will fear that. Or if you are, you know, and that, you are very well, yes, and I want to ask you. If I hear, oh, no thank you, yeah. And of course, you know, reverend, yeah, you got it. You know, that's it. Once I find it,
okay, Louis Nani, yeah, that's it. Yeah, receive it me a 2 course account. Yeah, good afternoon.
my afternoon, officer.
But your first, I said, free.
Let's have me for me, the revenue council.
But I said, free. All right, prophet is you.
Masakia Okanamani. When you soon to my dear, a Kunya was an awarding. If you are a yes of this of you, you can call yourself as a man of God. But it's too many people. Too soon from a Kunya, what is so? It's in my day, put out. Too soon from a near Ubu. What's that? My, so from dead. A Kunya was not people. But they blame Muno. They blame Galuno. But they really get back. My dear, you so. We can answer what people don't know, but who will tell them? Father, God bless you.
Amen.
See, I won't know what soon for me. I have what dear. Soon from what sound you know what so much. Now, your best on your president, and the dear coupon target to from, and suddenly the different teaching up in the prayer now for, then the mess cannot. Papa, I never want to. I don't know so much. Prowasan do. The prowasan, what of the soul? Who bet you up for what awful? Who bet you up for what you for? Let who bet you up actually did it for? Who bet you
And then is
last caller. Yeah, good afternoon. Too bad. What's me? So Pure 95.7. We are also live on Facebook. I have Pure FM Ghana. Saturdays we are right after. I have Pure Weekend Sports. From 12 to 1. Eagle Prophet. Or no, any sort of penny or that I have God's Crown Chapel. No, or Beffia and I feel one brain summer a hinter and summer Bobo Million. Young Fakola way. Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon. So,
yes, sir.
Get away. My son now. What deep so you are dancing already. What's the challenge? Let me see a bit of what you get at. Now, cutting a couple of walk by. What to do from? You can know what? One walk by doing the garden. When I'm about to see one walk by in a Bible cafe. What should this be the whole year to you? It's not quite more back. One fire in a number of the move by. I'm a guana.
I know, cry.
So, you need to pack that.
I know.
Yeah,
that's it. Pure 95.7. It's me and Fa Obiabi. And one more share on Facebook. Remember who say, yeah, sorry, no, dying, no, fair. Prophet, I saw that when I say COVID time now.
I am in COVID time. I know some kid one. What lockdown, no? Be a shut them, and Rademami is her Nyansan, Namade Kusi Dino.
Okay, so location be.
You are 100 dabai. You Kumase. Ghana ha you Kumase. Mini Accra, Kumase na mo. Enti Kumase no baby a free baby ya no. Ye nyina eba 100 dabai. 100 dabai. Aha, ya na locations no me man no timi keka say aha, we see how wait you oba. We smart so much. David, we no one onya de me baba ko a prophet Nicholas and a prophet Owa Kennedy omo de me ba me don beba because omo de ono so my mate pen one he say no a mate very good and as of coffee no a mate ono no ye mate or wife free trotro mo hwe for ma car fan so awamu prophet Nicholas enti omumi enu de say krom ye nche directions omo ya de enti me de ne de fa telephone numbers no 0245 87 05 and 67 0245 87 05 and 67
in case ofre we na I busy here the back o e ma waka prophet
0595
70
39 28 0595 70 39 28 to fresh number nso a enti ye wa hojo da ban u free baby e ba o se o mfa nko ahojo da ban obesi Puma filling station enti filling station a e wo kwan no so e wo onsabonkum so sa aha ofi kromu ba e wonsa bonkum so ena se ofi sokoban e kire ho ban so a e wonsa nifa so enti udru ho a asore ka si ho but say dem mekan gokrafo ne mrafo na efro ti work esia ne abrante de e just 3 minutes walk no do asore enti udru sa Puma filling station one nante bra fom e ko tal ye guso sa usi fom wa no ahwe wonsa right obo wonim kakra bia bon se me signboard kese esio no afa direction so no aba na me no wachina yeshia no past 6 a counselor a prophetic destiny counselor said the American wahan or say a Christian sunman ma en sunman na da so no ayira a was ye hihye ma baby e ko se ko ma me fie o papa fie adamfo bi na faaye ana ye dai obi a wo ma me bi obehwe wo ebi a obi ho a nipa wa fa ne sunman na wawu so nipa wa fa ne sunman na wawu so serious and sebuana ontimi kan radio so enim nipa bi a ono ankasa ne maame na maame ni go tumi ti owo no an no fa na ni munyam so de sie ne ba nya 18 years na o de ama no na owu e fa maame no koye enti nkom hye mu na Awurade bi me na me hunu ye na me se abrante o ma me nya 68 years o se ai wawu yesie ne waha o se ai afi no ho me din na me se o ye teacher ni o se am se nye teacher na ye ade o so we ye nipa bi sei o hwema nim sa o se waka me boso asema ma me ho adwiri and I'm so pese unyameji no se and I'm ma menka se mencho time one so onen Samuel hia ye Samuel catch and say baby obehu na funumu no eye Rachel baby a yesie no esieye odu esieye a yesie Rachel eye ne nana nkanso a ho no obi ba be catch and say afunumu na ayera no ni papa hu na tse so mo omo hyebre no omo na nkanso e friend Rachel odi wi enti fio you will be wa nyame from next week sansem na mba beka you fio bi wa nipa wo chichiri fie no ode abusua no ye di ewu e wo se ye kire wa kwankyere na otimi kofa enti man no me be a revelation is so kire nam se obekwa sie osi ai matise obi se okwasi o asofo no ma kwankyere kwasie ne nye papa ye bosom nam se we ese ya kwankyere ye bosom esi akwanche abusman ka Roman fo ne dikan ye wo seasons bi o Roman Catholic ye koya akwanche wasi ye de coins na eko ye de 20 pesos ene kugu osi ye ne esa de bia kogu nsuom ne esa de bia kogu ball aso ne esa de bia gu kwantanan so busa Roman father bi obeka kire ye ka sunsum akwanche Roman fo ne kura omo I'm telling you enti ye what time wa ye koya akwanche wasi ye but as a yakwanjana toa so sa akwasi ya enenye but seasonal direction to say Roman for seasonal direction ye what time a de kwasi no wako drop kwan ne de ato asi no asaba ni nyina wase kire abadamika teri enti me kire papa na kwankire na me so onko on your onsa o maame na ho anwea kakra na me kire na de on fangu high tank chief on che on fan she ne sumiase oda so osun da na maame na kire ne ba bia gold ehye oko omukrom e wo bebechi ho oduru one na bema onwui ho no ho wonya 102 at that time osi omani nwura dem ho and also mani nwura dem and o frame no catch them na mse nya hwe obedi krom 2 weeks after 2 weeks no nana no ntena wi ase bi within 2 weeks na nana no wuye okowura dem ho papa me menye sofo amani brade anka sabra me kase anka menya me ho tam gold no eya kunya asesedwa ena man no okofai of fadien no se igio ade ni ena rade ka kire me se hwe na manji bimpo ena manfa me nsa anka bi mi nshira so no papa no no fanko wasisi hotel sakase e won kran takrate kumase tema waye yeseta ewi ase so unye ni papa ema ne kire wakwan ya uyeyi wachina media metumi nsafre wo ya het say Elisha difu ni bi a odi we japade se obi o se bi osofo wo hu obi japade na ni bere ni ade da bi nyame wo hira ye ohu ye mobo wakaye ye ni kundie edi yenya bia ye di yenya bi nso ayetie ba bi nyame che ye nkwa wachina entina fi am bese me katwi bi but my ya this me busa me papa bi no o kansa atwi ni kire me bese me contradict enti onyame enhira
numbers no 0245 870567 0245 870567 and 0595 703 298 we the numbers are ofra ubenya prophet one on one ochina so the prophet edika catch on and past 6 okwa abom prophet one on one from 6 to 8 na ne na twetwe nkɔmɔ na 18 kɔ no na just say the main service no as it says so God's Crown Chapel ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ahodwo daban aha Puma filling station ɛhɔ na aside that no so prophet said Tuesdays are now
yeah Tuesday and so yeah sorry Tuesdays are not pa and the prophetic na there it is Sunday there no the Sunday crowd there no crowd there agent crowd now who any Sunday crowd there no a Sunday crowd now who is and yet Tuesday crowd we mean a Sunday crowd
what mo share on Facebook no who say they are to Facebook Pure FM Ghana
yes a Sunday crowd and a who is and you can imagine what is happening on Tuesday miracle services.
Nice. I saw
and you say papa and easy and easy it's Nyamisha Obibia no Obia Kese. Once again happy birthday to the legend and the great man
president and founder in the group of companies.
Yes.
Doctor.
Sir, Nyamisha no mai. Amen.
Amen.